Checking solutions to equations notes. The learning goal is how to verify a solution to an equation. Verifying a solution to an equation involves using a system called a left side, right side check. So to solve an equation is to find the value of the variable that makes the equation true. After you've solved an equation by finding the value of the variable, you can verify if your calculations are correct. To check your solution, you can use a left side, right side check, which basically is, does the left side equal the right side of the equation? Is the equation balanced if we substitute the value that we find for x into the equation? Okay, so how do we actually do that? So here are some steps. Step 1, you rewrite the original equation. So we're going to apply all these steps here in a moment, but first we'll go over the steps. Step 2, you substitute the solution into the equation. The solution means the value that you found that the variable is equal to. Step 3, simplify the expressions on each side of the equation. So you're not going to move things around from the left side, subtract them, but simply simplify the expression on the left side and then only simplify the expression on the right side. Step 4, compare the two sides. So if the left side equals the right side, then the solution is correct. If the left side does not equal the right side, then the solution is incorrect. And either your check is incorrect, maybe you miscalculated a step there, or you actually miscalculated a step in solving for the variable in the equation. Solve the following equation, then do a left side, right side check to verify the solution. So to solve this equation here, we have parentheses. We're going to apply the distributive property to eliminate them. I'm going to use the rainbow method. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times -1 is -4, which is equal to 6 times x, 6x, and then 6 times -2 is -12. So now I'm going to group or place all the variables on one side. I'm going to place them here on the right side because the value of x here is higher. It's a 6. Therefore, I will try to keep the coefficient of x positive. So I'm going to subtract the 4x on the left side, and I have to do the same thing on the right side, which is equal to then -4 is equal to 6x minus 4x is 2x minus 12. Now I'm going to place the constant -12 or eliminate it from the right side and place it on the left side. So I'm going to add 12 on both sides because the inverse operation of -12 is +12 or adding 12. I'm going to add 12 on the left side as well. -4 plus 12 is 8, which is equal to 2x. And now I'm going to isolate the x, so I have to divide it by the coefficient of 2. And the same on the other side. Therefore, x is equal to 4. So now I've solved the equation. And now I'm going to follow these steps. So step 1, I'm going to rewrite the original equation. So I've already written it here for you. It's 4x minus 1. That's what we have. That's the expression on the left side. And then 6 parentheses x minus 2 is the expression on the right side of the equal sign, the right side check. So now we're going to complete step 2, substitute the solution into the equation. So the x here, through our calculations, we got x is equal to 4. So now I'm going to sub x. Instead of writing x, I'm going to write 4. minus 1. I'm going to do that to the right side as well. So 6, 4, minus 2. So now step 3. So we've done substitute the solution into the equation. Step 3 is simplify the expressions on each side of the equation. So I'm going to simplify the left side here first. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So it's 4 times 3, which is equal to 12. Now I'm going to do the same on the right side, simplify the expression. So we have to do what's in the parentheses first. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So the left side is equal to the right side. So since left side equals right side, the solution is correct. Let's look at example 2. Solve the following equation and check if your solution is correct. So we have the equation here. I'm going to apply the distributive property to eliminate the parentheses first. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 is positive 15, which is equal to 2 times x. And 2 times positive 6 is positive 12. So I'm going to eliminate the term with the x and move them to the left side. So I have to subtract it from the right side. So minus 2x, minus 2x. So now 3 minus 2 is 1x, plus 15 is equal to 12. And now I'm going to move the constant 15 to eliminate it from the left side, put it on the right side. Hence, x is equal to 12 minus 15 is negative 3. So we have now solved for x. So now we're going to do a left side, right side check. Our first step is to rewrite the equation, or you can think of it as rewriting the expression on the left side and rewriting the expression on the right side. Now I'm going to substitute the value of negative 3 into my x value. Same thing on the right side. So it's negative 3 plus 6. Now I'm going to simplify both expressions. First, you have to do what's in the parentheses. So negative 3 plus 5 is 2, which is equal to 3 times 2 is 6. And then simplify the expression on the right side. 2 times negative 3 plus 6 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. The left side equals the right side. Therefore, the solution is correct.